thank you for every one of you. You're not here just to be here. You're here because I've chosen you to come and celebrate this 18 years, and each one of you have touched my lives in many ways. And I've been through friendships where they've left me, and like, you guys have to, but I love you guys, and I thank you so much for the unconditional love you guys continue to share. So thank you.
When it gets hard, you know.
So the debut in the Filipino culture is part of the Spanish tradition. When a Filipino reaches 18 years of age, it becomes one of her major milestones in life. This signifies her step into the world of adulthood. The coming of age is a thing. The Filipino community will treat the girl as dalaga, pertaining to a single young Filipina who passed the stage of puberty or is an eligible young Filipina. Accordingly, the parents will now allow their daughter to start dating someone and have a boyfriend. After the dinner, we will have the 18 candles and 18 roses. The 18 roses represent the 18 males in the debutante's court as a symbol of friendship and love, while the 18 candles represent the 18 females in the court as a symbol of loved ones lighting Anna's way into adulthood. Each candle symbolizes a year of her existence. Anna had chosen the 18 men and 18 women who she wants to court in her court as they are her closest friends and relatives. This ritual is a Filipino culture as we celebrate her 18th birthday. Welcome Anna to your next stage of life. We wish you all the best. We love you.
It's been a true inspiration for everyone that she talks to.
We have protected her for so long, and she is finally spreading her wings to fly. She has inspired all of us. I'm sure a lot of you guys as well. Thank you, Boo, because you have inspired us to be better siblings. Don't cry. Oh, here it comes. She's crying. She's super dramatic, if you guys don't know.
For ourselves, we're
in the world, remember Mama and Papa.
Hi, Anna. Happy 18th birthday. You know already, even I will not say, but I will at the tip of my heart. I love you. You are so beautiful.
And we have success in all that you do in the future. My wish for you is that you continue a positive attitude and that you keep God in your life.
My wish for you is I'm gonna borrow one of the part of the speech of Dr. Stephen Hawking, who contracted ALS or Lou Gehrig's disease in 1963. And he said, look up at the stars and not down in your feet. Thank you. Love you.
Anna, this candle symbolizes light of life. It's spiritual and divine. The light is a reminder that God is always with you to guide you and light your way. Okay? And Anna, my wish for you is to have unlimited opportunities. Study hard, be good, okay, and make all your dreams come true. I love you so much.
My wish for you is that you follow your dreams and nobody else's, because just like you told me at my 18th birthday, you deserve the world. So.
Hi, I love you. And I love the way you love unconditionally. So my wish for you is to always have that love and always receive that same love that you give every single day to everyone you come across. So yeah, I love you.
My wish for you is relief, relaxation, compassion, and happiness.
But anyway, my wish for you is wealth in relationships, happiness, but also cash. I love you.
My wish for you is to strive into a world of confidence and for you to be happy. My wish for you is to continue showing everyone exactly how strong and wonderful you are, and to never let anyone tell you otherwise.
Well, I never knew you were the sun.
My wish for you is to always open people's eyes about how strong they could be, because you are the strongest anybody in this world could be. Thank you, Anna. I love you.
I will not give you.
I love you so much.
these past few years, you have shown me so many things. You have shown me that everything is possible, to never give up, to follow my dream.
You're holding mine.
And I hope you never, ever have people judge you because you don't deserve that. And I know that my wish for you is that you will always see how beautiful you are inside and out. Oh no!
But underneath my breath,
You've grown up into be such an amazing woman, and I am so proud to have watched you grown up from when you were a little baby, and then you turned about this size, and now you're about that size. And I can't wait to see how you grow, and my wish for you is that you touch 1 million more lives than you've already touched, because you're such an amazing woman, and everybody in this whole world deserves you.
to carry more than just my secrets. To carry.
To wish you a happy birthday and to let you know that even though you're 15 years younger than me, that I've learned more from you in those 15 years, or I guess 18 years. I've learned more in these 18 years. Just being able to be your big sister. My wish for you is that you just continue to not let your circumstances control what you can and can't do, and that you will get a wonderful husband like mine and to you forever more.
I saw all these qualities of yours through your eyes. You and I will always remain friends, and I love the way we can read each other. You have taught me much and something you do daily. I might have given you life, but you give it back to me every moment each day. You continue to inspire me. I know one day I will have to let you go, but you and I will always be friends. Take life, shape it, taste it, enjoy it to the fullest. You will always be my forever gymnast, your siblings and me. I love you, and I'm so proud of what you have become. Yay!
Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between.
I just want to say thank you for these 18 beautiful candles and beautiful women in my life. I couldn't be here without you all. And the 18 roses, I really appreciate it. Okay. Sorry, I'm done. Thank you. it every single time it plays. And if you saw in the video, or if you saw in the dance, it was me transforming into a woman and walking, be able to dance again. Thank you to Paco and Chico Ivan for everything you've done for me, and clearly their dancing is gorgeous, and like, just, can we get another hand for them, please? Thank you.
I love you with every beat of my heart. I'm always a phone call away. I will be racking up sky miles for you. Just give me a call, I'll be there. I'm always your dad. Always remember that, and I love you so much. Thank you.